the tutorial on creating a database in Microsoft Excel. In the Microsoft Excel program, there are many functions. They are very helpful in processing data, one of which is the database function. This function is designed to process data processing related to the database. Okay, go ahead. Here we go. The tutorial on how to create a database on Microsoft Excel. Here you can see it's a data, one of examples of database from the company of Leoncomputer, for example. So the goal of our output is if we want to create or enter one employee, so the division email will automatically appear on this data. Okay, well, here there is a data and there are many employees here, names, join date, phone number, division, email, and age. That's for the example. And for instance, we will enter the name. For example, I will take Yuni Kumala. Automatically, division, email, phone number will appear on this sheet based on the data we've created before. So this will make it easier to know and to look for the database of employee for this company. Okay, for example, I want to click here Yeni Kumala. Just type one of names on the data. After I type Yeni Kumala, hopefully the division email age after we set up will automatically display by the program from the database. So the information of Yeni Kumala will appear and will be displayed here. Okay, we need to enter the formula of here VLOOKUP, using VLOOKUP, and then select the name of employee from this, then comma, and you need to plug the table array. We just want to plug the table that's from P4 until G16. Okay, just plug the table array, and do not forget to press F and then F4 to log the table array from B4 until G16. So if you do not log by using F and F4, so the data will change. This should be logged. And after this comma, it's about call index num. I think that division we will we will appear or display division. So the division column is on the fourth column from the table array, and then comma, and then 0. So this is 0 as the false, so the data will appear here 100% accurate. And after this, close the brackets and enter. So cells here. Okay, automatically will display cells as the Yenikomala's division. And then we will enter here using VLOOKUP, and we will display as the email from Yenikomala. The email is from the table number 5th from the table array. Okay, do not forget to enter here. C19. Oh, sorry. I think there's two. Okay, two brackets. You need to delete one. Okay, after this age, using VLOOKUP formula, just need to change the number of table column as age. That is on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6. It's about a 6 column from table array. Okay, it's about 38. Okay, Yenikomala, the division of cells, email yenikomala@email.com. Okay, for example, I just want to type beta 3. So the division, the email, and age will change automatically without typing one by one. So I think that the negatives will be if we type false. So I think that if we type just doing this type and it is not suitable with the name of the employees, the result will be not right. So will be NA. Okay, so we need to type correctly the name. Okay, so I will type here. I will explain here how to make some list, automatic list search to search the data here. Okay, we need to go to data tab on the tab menu, and we need to activate the cell. Okay, you need to click and then data and data validation. From the data validation criteria allow you to any value. Okay, so we just need to change into list, so the data will be read until from the data that we blocked before, and then search. So which is the cell that we want to take to be choices. Go from the data validation. Okay, so we need to block the cell. This is from name cell. Okay, from B5 until B16, right? And then the search should be locked here. So from B5 until B16. And there is also input message to give a rules, I think, to be filled from these. Okay, show input message when cell is selected, and here, and then also there is also error alert. So if we found the error of the data, so if the data will if the data is not found, so the data validation will display error message, cannot find. Okay, detail error. Okay, from the error message there is cannot find, and then okay, click OK, and then we'll go to okay, there's also an arrow sign, so you can click the name here. Okay, the list of database names will be appeared here, so we do not need to type one by one. Okay, just select the name from the list below, and then you do not need to type one by one. Okay, that's the functions of data validation in Microsoft Excel. So if I think that this should be an easier method for you if you have some data or many data, so you do not need to type one by one. I think that if the names consist of longer names, I think that you will take too much time here. So I think that here We will try error alert if I type the name that is not found on name database, so the error alert will be displayed as error alert cannot find error message. Okay, that's the functions of how to create database on Microsoft Excel. Good luck for trying. See you soon on the next video, and bye.